Hello there, and welcome to another easy tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more, and if you need a tutorial on something, leave it in the comments. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to create a group on Steam. Start by hovering over your Steam name on the top of Steam and choose Groups. Next, choose Create Group under Groups. Here you can create your group. Start with the group name. Choose whichever name you want and check its availability. After that, choose an abbreviation for your group and check its availability too. Third, you can choose the group's link. I usually just use the name and paste it in the link. And finally, you can choose if you want your group to be public or private. To create the group, click on Create. After checking if everything is correct, click on Create once more, and your group will be made. You can still tweak a lot about your group after creating one, but that's depending on your personal preferences. Thanks for watching, and let me know which easy tutorial you want next.